I wonder what birds we're going to find today. I'm excited to see this one up close.
Schoolyard Bird Blitz is an annual May bird count that can be done by students in any schoolyard across Canada.
Which bird do you think we'll likely see the most of? Just a prediction on the target. So, Phil? Sarah. Garrett?
The program is really fun and easy for students and educators of all grades and experiences to participate.
A-R-N-I-N-G.
Today at our school we saw 9 total species of birds and 43 individual birds in total.
In addition to learning about local birds, students become citizen scientists and report their observations to Bird Studies Canada.
They came alive. Something I don't normally see in a classroom perhaps, but once you get outside of that box and you start engaging with nature, they appreciate that, and I think they've kind of fallen in love with the whole process. I am able to connect with many parts of the curriculum. It's a very integrated approach.
I liked bird watching at school today because I got to look at all the new different species of birds with my friends that I didn't know we had in our schoolyard.
Schoolyard Bird!